You feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes to the same.
Hey guys, it's your girl Kiki back with another video. I'm gonna be doing a face tutorial video. How to get your face a little bit clear and all that good stuff. Cause you see I got like a look. I don't know if y'all can see it or not because of lighting and stuff. But I got like acne scars from acne. Then I got some little acne bumps like around my nose and on my forehead a little bit. I tried so hard to like get rid of it, but it won't go away. It's been a while, but it's starting to go away now. But okay, let's get started with the video. But before we do, subscribe to my channel, hit that ringer, and give a thumbs up, and let's get started. And maybe comment something in the comments or something like that. I don't really care. Okay, first we're gonna I like putting cold water on my face and like getting it all on my face, make it feel refreshing. I like that. I like doing that. Okay. Well, I'm allergic to some like different soaps and stuff, so I just use Dial on my face. That Dial soap, get it all around, all of that, get it cleaned off. Then so good. Sorry, I had to pat my head real quick. Then I use the Blackhead Eraser Scrub, oil free. Alright. It reduces the number of blackheads because, oh my god, I used to get it on the side of my nose and like over on the other side. Yeah, all over my nose. Gently exfoliates to lift away dirt and oil. This is a dream. This one actually worked clear and clear. I've never, oh, I said clear and clear. I meant clean and clear. Dummy mistake. Okay, but I use that to get all the dirt and stuff out. Because I don't really trust any other ones because like some of them be messing up your face. And my mom was talking about you can't get like different ones because it may mess up your face. But I just stick to those. But okay, next after that we got a little bit distracted. We're gonna use the Noxzema Ultimate Clear Anti-Blemish Pads. Clears and prevents breakouts. This works. Noxzema. It really get the dirt from all around on my face. But if I got any like open scars or like acne scars, or like if I got an incoming pimple or a bump coming in and it's like irritating me, I just put like this one right there. I'll put two I put on some alcohol, rubbing alcohol. I know it's gonna sting a little bit. I just had to fight through that. So I put that on there and all that. Then after all that, my face be feeling like dry. My face be feeling dry after all that. So I just like got some Jergens Hydrating Coconut Lotion. Oh my god, I love that lotion. Put it all on my face. Get everywhere, make it feel good and soft. After all that, I'm done. I'm done with my. I'll be done with all that because I did everything, all that. But that's why I use on my face daily. That's what I use daily on my face.